I have a very old, actually 2002 GMC Yukon that has been sitting for about 3 weeks in summer heat because I was on vacation, so I wasn't able to drive it. Anyway, because it just sat, it lost all its juice. I've got a little bit of juice, enough to get a clicking sound, and yeah, you can see the dashboard lights, but it doesn't start, so I need to charge this bad boy up. So what I'm going to do is use my solar generator to charge the battery on this truck. Let me show you how. Now, this is assuming you don't have a jump starter battery packet. If you do, use that instead. But if you just want to use your solar generator, get yourself a cable like this. We've got one end that plugs into the cigarette lighter adapter on the generator itself. And of course, we have the clamps that connect to the car battery. I'm using an EcoFlow Delta 2 generator. Make sure your solar generator is powered down before hooking everything up. Here are the clamps on the car battery. Let's go down to the generator. The 12-volt DC connection or cigarette lighter connection is in the back of this generator. Now, the red light you see is on because the battery is connected. However, the generator is not powered on yet, so be aware of that. Now we're going to go to the front and power this bad boy up. When the generators power up, we'll see a draw. You can see it right there as the generator charges up the battery. And the draw is going to fluctuate. The output is going to fluctuate over time. Now, I charged the battery for my truck up for at least 2.5 hours. Actually, it was probably closer to 3 hours. So this is not a substitute for a jump pack. Okay, so it's been about 3 hours as mentioned, and I'm going to go ahead and disconnect everything and then try to start the truck. First, I'm going to power down the generator. This little button right there shuts off the power to the charging, and then I'll go to the front of the generator and just make sure that it's completely powered down. And then I can go ahead and disconnect all the cables and try to turn over the truck. Side note, this battery is about a year old. All right, so I'm back in the truck now after charging everything up, and here's a good sign. I've got light, so let's hope I have enough juice to start this bad boy. And yes, it starts. That's a beautiful sound. So there you have it. Yes, you can use a solar generator to charge up your vehicle. Obviously, if you have a jumper pack, use that instead. Hope this video helps you. If it did, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.